The chain of markets. Students, in the chain of market or the link in the market that the producer, wholesaler, retailer, and finally the consumer. So this is the chain of market. So let's understood the chain of market. The manufacturer does not sold his goods directly to the consumer. The wholesale merchant or the traders buys the goods from manufacturer at a lesser price. The retailer is a smaller trader who buys the product or the goods from wholesaler which he able to sell in his shop. The consumer who buys the product from the retail market or the retailer for his self use or self consumption. And through this we come to know the chain of market. The students, I think so you understood through this animated video, but still we know or define the producers, the traders like wholesalers and retailers and consumer. So let's define. Who is the producer? Producer produce the goods in factories, on farms and in homes, who produce the raw material of finished product. And in between the producer and the final consumers are the traders. The wholesaler. What is wholesaler? Wholesaler is a trader first buys or from the manufacturer. Then the wholesaler sell it to the other traders, and this buying and selling take place between the traders, which helps goods to reach the faraway places. This is the function which is done by the traders. And the trader who finally sells products to the consumer is the retailer. And who is the consumer? Consumer is the person who buys the goods for self is from the retailer. I think so these concepts are clear for you, which come into the chain of market. And in briefly we can say, in a market chain, commodities means the goods or the product flow from producers to consumer. Market everywhere. So students, this is the topic we already know very well. Some of the students also use the purchasing sites or the online sites through which we purchase the goods like Flipkart, Amazon. I think so most of the students knows it and they already experience the shopping, or we can say the online shopping. Today everyone did not go for buying the everything in the market. So students, we can say the buying and selling take place in different ways. Okay, so always it's not necessary that one has to go to the market to purchase the goods. You can place order for a variety of things through the phone and the internet. So many of the students might be give the online order for mobiles, for clothes, for shoes, maybe watches, other things. Okay, and whatever the order you are giving through the online, the goods are delivered at your home. So like you see here the many online sites through which we can purchase the goods, and well known all of the Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, eBay, okay, then Yabi. So these are the some online sites through which we purchase the goods. It means we can say that market is everywhere now at your home also. Okay, means you did not go to the market for purchasing everything. The market and equality, this is the most important topic. The small traders with a little money struggle to run the shops, whereas some are able to spend a lot of money to set up the shops. They also earn an equal amount. So students, those the trader who sell their goods in the weekly market, okay, they're having a little money, and hence they can even struggle for their shops as well as the permanent shops, okay, in your colonies or other places or in the shopping complexes. They also having, okay, need to struggles, okay, for running their shops. And the person who set up their shops in the shopping complexes or in the malls or at exclusive stores, they needs a lots of money to set up their shops. The person who sell their goods, or the traders who sell their goods in the local market or in the weekly market, or who sell their goods in the shopping complexes, their earning amount also unequal. Means similarly, the buyers are also different from each other. The higher middle class or the higher class people went to the shopping complexes or in the malls, okay, they are paying the amount as per demanded by the seller or the retailer. But in the weekly market there is a bargaining done by the people, so hence their earning is too less. Why? Because the buyers are different, okay. So there are many who are not able to afford the cheapest of goods while others are busy shopping in malls, okay. So these are the some things we can say the markets and equality is not there. So market is also unequal, okay. Why? Because the buyers are different and sellers are also different. I think so you understood this chapter very well. If you have any doubt, you can call or WhatsApp me, okay. Thank you.